Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and if you're always looking to be prepared for any emergency, this is the flashlight for you. This is the GearLight S2000. I really like to use it when I'm doing outdoor activities, like for example camping, because you can really see far out with this flashlight. It has two very powerful settings. One of them, it has a very wide range, but with the more powerful setting, you can just focus on one specific part. I really like that it's a very heavy duty flashlight. It's super sturdy, it's very strong. This flashlight has survived so many drops, so many falls from me, and it still looks like new. And on top of that, it's also water resistant, so you can use it with confidence. You know this will last you a very long time. So if you're looking to add a very strong flashlight to your camping gear, to your emergency backpack, whatever you need, this is the one. And that is my point of view.